Good morning, students. Today we are going to start a new chapter number 15, that is money. First of all, we will discuss what is the meaning of currency. What is currency? The money used in a particular country is called its currency. Means money which is used by a country is called its currency. Now what is Indian currency? We will discuss about Indian currency. Now Indian currency is rupee and paise. These two are Indian currency. For rupees, we use this symbol, and for paise, we use this symbol. These are Indian currency. Now, Indian currency is measured in notes and coins. Okay, notes and coins. Now, all coins and currency notes are issued by a bank named RBI. Means R for reserve, B for bank, of I for India. Reserve Bank of India. This is the bank. All coins and currency notes are issued by this bank. Okay. Now we can write money in words and figures. Okay, we will discuss how we can write money in words and in the form of coins or in the form of money. Okay, now for example, if we want to write 50 rupees 20 paise, we will write like this. This is the symbol for rupees, then 50 and 20 and a dot between these two numbers. Okay, dot is used to separate rupees and paises. Means the number on left side is rupees and number on right side is paises. Number on left side of dot represent rupees and the number on right side of dot represent paise. Okay, paises are represented by 2 digits after dot. For example, if I want to write 50 rupees and 5 paisas or 50 paisa, so I can write like this 50.5, or here I will use 0. It is always represented by 2 digits. For example, if I want to write 50 rupees 5 paisas, so we will use 05. Okay, so the paise are represented always by 2 digits after dot. Left number shows rupees and right number shows paises. Okay, and this is the symbol for rupees. Okay, now we will discuss how we can write the amount in words and figures. First we will discuss to write money in words. How we can write a given amount in words. For example, if I want to write 40 rupees and 20 paisa. Okay, how we can write in words? We will write 40. Okay, first we will write left number 40 rupees and dot we will write, and we will use and instead of dot, and 20 paise. Okay, in this way we will use and to separate rupees and paise. So 40 rupees and 20 paise. Okay, now next example is, suppose I want to write 170.50. How will write? We will use rupees and paise, and we will use and to separate the two numbers. So first of all we will write rupees. Okay, 170 rupees, 170. So first of all we will write rupees 170. We will write this number. Now and now we will write paises. How many is paise? 50 paise. Okay, we will write like this: 170 and 50 paise. 170 rupees and 50 paise. Okay, let us discuss one more example. Suppose we want to write 120.70. Okay, how we will write? First of all, we will write left number in rupees and then pesos. So write this number 120 rupees. Okay, 120 rupees. Now and okay, now we'll write this number 70 paise. Okay, so 120 rupees and 70 paise. Okay, in this way we can write a given amount in words. Now we will write amount in figure. We will write a given amount in figure. Okay, let us discuss with the help of some examples. Suppose I want to write 40 paise. Okay, how we will write? Now we will use a dot to separate rupees and paise. Rupees we will write here and paise we will write here. Okay, now in this example there are no rupees, only 40 paise. So 0.40 and here 0. Okay, we will use dot to separate rupees and paise, and then here we will write rupees number and here we will write paises, and here we will write this symbol rupees. Okay, let us discuss one more example. Suppose I want to write 90 rupees. Okay, now in the same way we will use dot here and here we will write rupees and here we will write paises. Now here 90 rupees in this question, so here we will write 90. Now here are 0 paise, so we will write here 2 zeros. So 90 rupees and we will use this symbol for rupees. Okay, simple. So in same way we can write a number. For example, if I want to write 72 rupees and 50 paise. This is the question given to you. 72 rupees and 50 paise. Now here is and, so we will write here dot, and this is the number in rupees and this is the number in paise. So 72 rupees. So here I will write 72. And means dot. Now how many paises? 50 paises. So here I will write 50 and we will write here rupees. Okay, very simple. Let us discuss one more example. Suppose we want to write 300 rupees. Okay, 300 rupees and 5 paise. Okay, this is the question given to us. Now again in the same way rupees. So this is rupees 300. So here 300 rupees and we will use symbol dot 5 paisas. So we will write here 5 means 05, not 5. We will use 05 because paisas are represented by 2 digit always. If I will write here 5, then it will become 50 and it will become 50 paise. But we want to write 5 paisas. So we will start from right side. We will write here 5 and here 0 and dot. Okay, in this way we can use 0 to complete 2 digit. Okay, in this way we can write a given amount in paise, in given amount in words or in figures. We have to use a dot to separate rupees and paise. First of all we will write here rupees and here dot, and we will write here passes. Passes are always represented by 2 digits, so we have to complete 2 digits, and we can use zeros for this. And then after that we will write here rupees symbol. Okay, so this was all about